Hi, Ryan from Seagull.com. Going over the PaddleSki setup today. The PaddleSki has a unique catamaran design that allows it to be fast, stable, and versatile. It can be set up for many different activities: sailing, motoring, fishing, rowing, and of course paddling. PaddleSki has 3 pre-assembled yokes. You can leave these on. You should snug these from time to time, not overly tight. Your PaddleSki has 2 recessed valves. We can remove the caps and we'll press and turn the stem inside a quarter turn until it pops up. This will allow the chambers to retain air. Grab your Seagull foot pump and screw the threaded end into the out port of your pump. The other end, you'll have a recessed adapter valve. This is normally in your repair kit. Place that into the other end of the hose, and you can put that into the valve. Place in, turn to the right until it's fully seated. Your Seagull foot pump will inflate your hull to the optimal 3.2 psi. Overinflation can damage your boat, so never use an air compressor. Continue pumping until you can't press any more air in. You don't have to worry about overinflation with the Seagull foot pump. Seagull has electric pumps to make pumping even easier and faster. And remember to replace your valve caps. The PaddleSki accepts both the DKS and the tall back seats. We'll show you how to put them on. For the DKS, simply attach to the D-rings. If you have the optional tall back seats, place in, and the side straps will go to a front D-ring, and the rear straps to a rear D-ring. And the same thing for the rear. To assemble your paddle, you'll see there's 3 pre-drilled holes. The middle hole will allow the blades to be parallel. For windy conditions, you can feather to the left or to the right. To install the optional rowing frame, place it in the center with the front touching the middle yoke. To install your foot strap, lace around the rear yoke bolts and adjust, leaving just enough room for your feet. To install your oar, place your oar handle into the clamp on top of the oar pin and attach the lower half of your oar. Position the oars to your liking and tighten up the oar clamp. To attach a motor, you'll need a motor mount board. Simply remove your rear yoke and line up the pre-drilled holes in your motor mount with your bolts from the yoke. You'll keep your spacers on. Grab your straps and lace it through the D-rings before and aft of your motor mount board. Lace through the buckle and secure. And do the same thing for the other side. you have the side motor mount board, assembly is very similar. You just place the motor on one side and the battery box on the other. You have the optional fishing rig. Simply remove the middle yoke and replace it with the front yoke of the fishing rig. You can store your kayak inflated or deflated. We're going to deflate it for easy transportation today. It's always good to wipe it down first. Press down, turn to the right, that'll let the air escape. You can leave the yokes on, fold in the end of the pontoons. You can replace the skeg protectors here and fold over, pressing out any remaining air. Thanks, this is Ryan from Seagull.com. We'll see you out on the water.